In Kendall's warm and tropical climate, where sunshine is abundant and humidity is ever present, choosing the right windows is crucial for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home. Casement windows, known for their hinged design that swings outward like a door, offer an excellent combination of style, functionality, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Kendall, these windows provide a practical solution to the challenges of heat, humidity, and fluctuating energy costs. What are casement windows? Casement windows are single-pane windows attached to their frames by one or more hinges. Operated using a crank handle, they open outward, allowing for full ventilation and uninterrupted views. This design is particularly beneficial in Kendall's climate, where airflow and energy efficiency are priorities. Energy efficiency tailored for Kendall. Energy-efficient casement windows are designed to minimize heat transfer and reduce the strain on cooling systems. Here's how they excel in Kendall's unique climate. Tight sealing mechanism. Casement windows seal tightly when closed, creating a strong barrier against air leaks. This is especially important in humid climates like Kendall's, where maintaining indoor air quality and consistent temperatures is key to comfort and energy savings. Insulated glass options. Modern casement windows are often equipped with double or triple pane glass featuring insulating gas fills such as argon or krypton. These layers help to block heat from entering the home, reducing reliance on air conditioning and lowering energy bills. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E glass coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. This keeps interiors cooler without sacrificing brightness. Ideal for sunny Kendall homes where natural light is a valued feature. Superior ventilation. Casement windows are unmatched in their ability to capture breezes and direct airflow into the home. In Kendall, where the tropical climate often calls for improved ventilation, casement windows make a significant difference. Full opening capability. Unlike other window types that open partially, casement windows open fully outward. This maximizes ventilation and brings in fresh air, cooling your home naturally and reducing the need for air conditioning. Optimal placement. When placed strategically, such as on walls facing prevailing winds, casement windows can draw in cool breezes and expel warm, stale air, creating a comfortable indoor environment. Durability for tropical weather. Kendall's tropical climate comes with challenges like heavy rains, high humidity, and occasional storms. Energy-efficient casement windows are built to withstand these conditions. Weather-resistant frames. Frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum resist warping, corrosion, and moisture damage. These materials are perfect for Kendall's humid environment, ensuring long-lasting performance. Impact-resistant glass. For added protection during storm season, many casement windows feature impact-resistant glass that can withstand strong winds and flying debris. This not only protects your home but also maintains its energy efficiency under adverse conditions. Efficient drainage design. Casement windows are engineered with sloped sills and drainage channels to prevent water from pooling, reducing the risk of leaks and water damage in heavy rain. Modern aesthetic and customization. Casement windows offer a sleek and modern appearance that enhances the aesthetic appeal of any home. For Kendall homeowners, they can be customized to complement the architectural style of the property. Size and shape. Casement windows come in various sizes and shapes, allowing for creative combinations to suit unique spaces. Frame colors and finishes. Choose from a wide range of colors and finishes to match or accentuate your home's interior and exterior design. Grills and hardware. Add decorative grills or stylish hardware to personalize the windows and create a cohesive look with your home's overall aesthetic. Energy savings and environmental benefits. Energy-efficient casement windows contribute to both cost savings and environmental sustainability. Lower energy bills. By reducing heat gain and improving insulation, these windows lower cooling costs, making them a smart investment for Kendall homeowners. Reduced carbon footprint. Improved energy efficiency means less reliance on air conditioning, which helps to reduce your home's overall carbon emissions. Natural light utilization. Casement windows bring in abundant natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day and further cutting energy use. Conclusion. Energy-efficient casement windows are an ideal choice for Kendall homeowners looking to balance style, functionality, and energy savings. Their tight ceiling, superior ventilation, and durability make them well-suited to Kendall's tropical climate, while their modern design enhances the beauty and value of any home. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consider energy-efficient casement windows to create a more comfortable, sustainable, and cost-effective living environment. With their ability to combat heat and humidity while adding elegance and practicality, they're a valuable addition to any Kendall property.